Hi everyone, this lesson is going to be on delay in payments on credit cards. So what happens if you don't make a payment on a credit card? So when you use a credit card to buy something, what you are doing is you're borrowing money for a short term. When you use your credit card and you don't pay it off fully when the bill comes in, you have to pay interest. So let's say your bill was $200. If you do not pay that full $200, then you're going to be paying interest on what you did not pay off. When you only make the minimum payment, you could end up paying double the amount for the items you bought. So what are some of these words mean? So definitions. So previous balance, that's the amount unpaid from the month before. So let's say your bill for the month is $200 and you only pay $50 of it. So then $150 will go in as the previous balance. New balance is the amount that's now owed. So whatever your previous balance is plus whatever you spent on that credit card during that current time period. And then your minimum payment is the least amount you can pay in order to keep your account current, so to keep your credit card open and to have keep your credit good. So let's do an example. Sarah made a purchase on her credit card for $152.78. She did not have a previous balance. Unfortunately, she is only able to make the minimum payment of $10. What is Sarah's balance at the end of the month? So on the credit card, her bill comes in and it says $152.78. She only pays $10 of it. So we take that previous amount, we subtract how much she paid, and we'll get the new balance. So we've got $142.78 that she still needs to pay. Okay, remember the $142.78, she will be taxed on that since she did not pay the full amount. So the interest rate is 18.6 compounded daily. So what will Sarah's credit card bill be next month if she does not make any payments? So the principal will be $142.78. This is the amount that we need to pay off. The rate is 18.6%, and the time, since it's going to be compounded daily, and we're talking about the one-time period is they do it in terms of month. So there's 365 days a year. We need to divide that by 12 to know how many days are in a month. And we do get a decimal here, but the way credit card works is that it does go based off of 30.41666667 for the time. And then it's compounded daily. So we're going to use the compound interest calculator. So this one here, we plug all those values in, put it to days, and then we do find compound interest. The amount is $145.01 and the interest amount is 2.23. So her new credit card amount, or the new credit card bill, will be $145.01, which was a difference from $142.78. So that 2.23 is the amount she now has to pay in interest. So we're going to examine this following spreadsheet to help answer the questions to follow. You'll see at month one, this is the new balance as she spends the $152. She only makes a minimum payment of $10, and so the previous balance goes down to $142. And then we said that the new interest and then the new balance. Okay? Let's say that she keeps continuing only paying the minimum payment. So she pays that $10 again. The $145 goes down to $135, but then it goes interest on top of the $135. The interest is already calculated here, and then adding those two together, she now owes $137. She again only pays $10, and it goes down to $127 in the fourth month. She gets calculated interest on top of this amount, which is $199. So now she has to pay the interest plus this amount, it's $129. And it keeps going down until she finishes paying the whole balance. So how much does Sarah end up paying for a purchase of $152.78? So she made, if we go back, there's 17, so 17 months she's paying $10, and then plus $282 at the end. So we do $10 times 17 months, and then plus $282. She's actually paying $172.82. So how much interest does Sarah pay? So we can take this amount that she paid minus the actual price of what she had bought, or you can add up the interest column. So if I go back, you can add up this whole column and get the interest amount. So in interest, Sarah pays $20.04. So if Sarah made the purchase in August 2005, when did she finish paying off her credit card? So on the chart, we know that there was 18 months. 18 months is the same thing as 12 months, so 1 year plus half a year. So 1 year from August 2005 would be August 2006, plus 6 months from there would be February 2007. So it takes a year and a half to pay off that amount with only paying the minimum payment.